tomorrow. In this lesson, we will be recognizing right angles, acute and obtuse angles using the hands of a clock.
What is an angle? An angle is made out of two lines that meet at a point.
On a clock, the hour hand and the minute hand makes different angles as time changes.
For example, at 3 o'clock, the hour hand is pointed at 3 and the minute hand is at 12, forming an L shape like this.
Anytime both of the hands form an L shape, that means it's a 90-degree right angle. Now, this is going to be a demonstration of an acute angle. An acute angle is less than 90 degrees. So this example will be the hour hand on the 10 and the minute hand on the 12.
Remember, if the hands are close together, it's an acute angle.
10 o'clock.
An obtuse angle is an angle more than 90 degrees, but still less than 180 degrees. An example we have here is 4 o'clock. So the hour hand will be on 4 and the minute hand will be on.
And remember, if it looks bigger than the right angle, it's obtuse.
And I like this. I'm a right angle, and she's an obtuse angle.
4 o'clock.
An 180-degree angle is a straight line, like this.
Hope you liked our lesson. Like and subscribe.